Muddy Tomas.
We've got Muddy Tomas. Check him out.
Oops. Looks like I'm gonna be out too. Oh no! Epic mud plunge.
Cool. Muddy Tomas, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Boom! Whoa, that was crazy splash. All right, guys, so today we're going to put all these Tomas to trains. We've got a lot today. All of them down this cool red slide right into this fun water pool. Who we got first, Zane?
Riff.
We got Riff.
Wow, we're actually on Sonar. This is super exciting.
Check out Riff. Pretty cool. All right. Here goes in. Puts him on the slide. Let's go to boom! Splash! And he went right down with a lot of bubbles. Okay. Who do we have next?
Kana.
We've got Kana.
Wow, she is fast.
Check out Kana. That's a mini little Kana. So cool. Here we go. Slide right in. Boom! That's so cool. And she just went down with a lot of bubbles also.
Percy.
We've got Percy.
Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but it's hide and surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise!
You check out Percy. That's a little tiny, awesome Percy.
He's
Okay.
so cute.
Uh-huh. Here we go. Boom! Splash in the water with the bubbles. Who we got next, buddy?
Rainbow Tomas.
We've got Rainbow Tomas.
It's just ahead now, we cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow, whatever will there be. The end of the rainbow! Whoa! Look at the colors!
This is so cool. All right, Zane. I want to see Rainbow Tomas slide down. Boom! So cool. Look at that.
Corona.
We've got Verona.
Oh, if it isn't Kenji.
Verona, Federico.
I hear you have a new young partner. That's gotta be tough.
Check her out. She's fast. Okay. Here we go. Oh, splash.
Muddy Tomas.
We've got Muddy Tomas. Check him out.
Oops. Looks like I'm gonna be out too! Oh no! Epic mud plunge!
Cool. Muddy Tomas, are you ready? Okay, here it comes. Boom! Whoa, that was crazy splash.
Tomas.
We've got Tomas. Look at this little mini Tomas. So awesome.
Thomas! Catch! Thanks, guys! Next up, whips! Time for a track attack! Go, Thomas!
Here we go. Boom! Whoa, they go fast.
It's Bruno.
We've got Bruno. Check out Bruno. Wow, so cool.
Detective Bruno, will you help me find out what made Connor leave? Oh yes, of course, Inspector Diesel. Detective Bruno at your service. I can help you figure it out.
Hello, Bruno. Awesome. Cool, here we go.
I'm ready.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa, splash. Who's that?
Racer Diesel.
Racer Diesel, yeah, check that out. So
Look at all
cool.
the flames on it.
Yeah, check out those yellow stripes, so cool.
Hey, Kana, guess who I'm cheering for? There they are. I've gotta go meet them.
He's a fast Diesel.
Yeah, he's faster than Kana.
Okay, here he goes. Whoa, splash.
Whoa, and he landed.
And he actually landed it. Who's next, Zane?
Jiff.
We got Jiff.
know about me. We were great together in the egg race. We can't break up the dream team now, can?
Check out Jeff. Whoa, cool. All right, Zane. Zane's gonna make it go down the slide and boom! That's crazy how it just bounces off and goes in the water. Look at all the bubbles! Bubble! So who's next, Zane?
Rainbow Diesel.
We got Rainbow Diesel. Check out those rainbows on Diesel.
End of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
That is so cool. Awesome. Okay. Very cool. All right, Zane. Here you go, buddy. And boom! So cool. Awesome.
It's Young Bow.
We got Young Bao. Check out Young Bao.
Gordon! Gordon! Huh? Great gear. Thank you, young man.
Looks so cool. Whoa. Young Bao looks awesome. Okay, here we go, buddy. Here we go. Boom! Bow, cool. Who's next?
Federico.
Frederico, check out this. He's one of the racers from the Cup Racers.
Keep trying. You can get it.
Diesel, uncouple. I'll do it myself.
But we're a team.
Fine. Huh? Is something wrong?
So cool. Here goes in.
What's it?
Whoa! Boink. Awesome with the bubbles. Whoa, check out all those bubbles.
Hero.
Hero. Yep, it's Hero. Check out Hero. It's pretty cool. It's a small little hero.
Whoa! Easy, Speedy. Careful on the turns.
Huh? Phew.
Here goes Hero. Choo-choo. Whoa, cool. Who's next?
Muddy Percy.
We've got Muddy Percy.
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Check out Muddy Percy. All right. Percy's all muddy.
I need to go for a wash.
Yup, you need to get in the water, Percy.
Yeah, choo-choo.
All right. Whoa! So cool. Who is she?
I'm Sandy the Real Guy.
Hi, Sandy the Railer.
Hi.
Cool.
It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken. I'm adding a temporary patch now, which means it'll only last for a little while. And you'll need to go slower to make sure it stays on. No time to slow down. With the storm coming, we have to finish the deliveries.
Hi guys, if you liked the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Thomas and Friend videos. Here she goes, here she goes, here she goes, here she goes. Whoa! Boink. Whoa, check out these big trains. Who's first?
Choo-choo.
Whoa.
Percy.
Hey, Percy, come on, buddy. Hey.
Delivery left. It's a super special party balloon for Sir Topham. Look! Oh no! It's getting away! I have to get that back. Come on! Back up! Back up, back up, back up! Go, go, go! I have to get that back! There it is! I got it! I don't got it.
Hey there.
Hello, Percy.
I'm big and I'm throwing that out.
Very cool. Check that out. Okay, here he goes.
Here we go.
Boom. Splash. Who's that?
My name is Thomas.
Oh, it's Thomas.
With
Wow. Check out, it says shiny Thomas too. Very cool.
Hey, choo-choo.
Whoa, boink. And Thomas is floating.
My name is James.
Hey, James.
Whoops. This way, knights. Gotcha, James. We're here to rescue you from the dragon float.
Save yourselves and what?
Dragon captured.
Here.
This is James. He's pretty cool. Check him out. All right, James. Here we go, buddy. Whoa, there he goes, right into the water. Who's next? Who's
Hi,
that?
my name is Carly.
Hi, Carly.
Spins
Whoa,
around.
Carly, the crane.
Look at
What?
that.
Whoa, the crane came off. Whoa, look at that. That's so cool.
Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clack clack here, and a snap snap there. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere clack snap. Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere clack snap. Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly. Thanks, Carly.
Oh, that is so neat. Her name is Carly the Crane. What's her crane? So cool. All right, here she goes. Here she goes. Woo, boink. Right into the water with the bubbles.
Hi, my
Who's
name is
that?
Kana, guys.
Oh, that's Kana.
When I say go,
You said go.
I let him make the rules. Otherwise, there's no challenge. See ya! Woo! See you at the finish line.
Check out Kana. Whoa, Kana looks so cool. Here she comes. Whoa, she's moving. She's moving. She's moving and I got her. Check it out. Choo-choo. All right, here goes Kana down the slide. Whoa, whoa, splash. There she goes.
Diesel. Here you go, guys.
Diesel.
Woohoo! Diesel, slow down. We don't want our light bulbs to break.
Nice try, Thomas. You're just trying to trick me so you can win the race.
I don't need tricks to win against you.
Hey, no fair.
Wow, check out Diesel. That's a big Diesel. Oh, whoa. On the slide and boom, right into the water and he's floating. So cool. And look, Tomas is still floating also. Whoa, who's that guy?
It's Kenji.
Kenji.
Here, my name is Kenji.
Wow, Kana, you're almost as fast as me now.
And getting faster every day.
So cool. Whoa, check out Kenji. So awesome. Here he goes. Whoa, whoa, boink. So awesome. Who's that?
It's Hero.
We've got Hero. Another hero. Look how big Hero is. This is a big hero. So cool.
Kana, this is Hero. He used to be my coach. He taught me everything I know. Hero, this is my partner for the race. Kana.
Ah, Speedy. I thought I saw something fly by.
All right. Here goes Zane. Whoa, boink. What's the bubbles? Who's that, Zane?
Gordon.
We've got Gordon.
Who wants to sing Old McCall Had a Farm on the way home? Me! I do!
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old McCall had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
So cool. Check him out. All right, Gordon. He's ready to go, Zane. All right. He's coming right down and boom. Right into the water. Who's that, Zane?
It's Dirty Thomas.
We've got Dirty Thomas.
Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa!
I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me.
Ay, ay, ay. All right, Thomas, you need to get in the water, man.
Yeah.
Here he goes. Boink. with some bubbles.
Hi, my name is Emily.
That's Emily. Hi, Emily.
It's a sheep stampede. Gather round, all ye engines, great and small.
Whoa, she's so cool and green. Here she goes. Whoa, what a lot of bubbles. Cool. Who's that, Zane?
Thomas.
Tomas.
There's the platform! I made it! Tomas!
Whoa, that is so cool. Whoa, that was a big splash. Right into the pool. Who's next?
It's Thomas.
Thomas. See? All right, Thomas.
Whoa! There's the platform! I made it! Tomas!
Let's see how you do. Let's see if Thomas hits the pool and keeps going or not. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Splash! He is floating. That's so cool. All the Thomases are floating.
Hi. So look at all these trains. So
All right. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be pushing all these cool Thomas and friend trains, all Thomas and his friends, all into the pool. Check that out. Beautiful pool. Zane's going to be making them go into the pool. And the cool part today is we're going to see if they're going to keep going. Are they going to keep going in the water? When they hit the water, are they going to keep going and going and going? So it's going to be fun. Who's first?
Percy.
Percy.
Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but it's hide-end surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise!
See how Percy does. Here she goes. She's hitting the water. She's floating. She hits the pool. She's still going. Look at those bubbles. She's still going. Look at her. Cool. All right. Who's next?
Sandy the Rail.
Sandy.
It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken. I'm adding a temporary patch now, which means it'll only last for a little while. And you'll need to go slower to make sure it stays on. No time to slow down. With the storm coming, we have to finish the deliveries.
All right. Here we go. Let's see Sandy. Whoa. There you go. Splash. Whoa. Right into the pool. Who's that?
Kenji.
Kenji.
Wow, Kana, you're almost as fast as me now.
And getting faster every day.
Super cool. Let's see how Kenji does. Here goes Kenji. He hits the water. He's floating. He's going down slowly. Let's see if he hits the pool, if he keeps going. Let's see if he's going to keep going. Oh, he's
Stuck.
He's stuck. All right, who's next?
It's Rainbow Diesel.
Rainbow Diesel.
End of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
So cool. Check out those rainbows and those colors. Here he goes. Whoa, scoop, splash. There he goes. Boom. All right. Who's next?
Oh, here we go.
Oh, he's still going. He's going backwards. Check that out.
Wow.
That's funny. Who's next?
Gordon.
Gordon.
Never fear. Thomas can do it.
I can?
He can?
Certainly. Would you fill in for me, Thomas?
Yeah, Thomas, hook up. Well, I wouldn't want anyone missing out on a hayride.
That's the spirit, number one.
Let's see if Gordon's gonna keep going when he hits the water. Let's see. He goes. Splash! He's going down. And there he goes. He's stuck. Okay. Who's next?
It's Dirty Thomas.
Oh, look at Tommy's. He's all dirty.
Oops. Looks like I'm gonna be out too! Oh no! Epic mud plunge!
He definitely needs some wood to go in the pool. Let's see if he hits the water and if he's gonna keep going. Whoa, there he goes. He's floating. Hi, Tomas. Tomas is not going down. He's swimming. That is so cool.
Yeah.
All right, who's next?
Thomas.
Oh, we got another Tomas. Look at this Tomas. He's a shiny, cool Tomas.
Thomas! Catch! Thanks, guys. Next up, whips. Time for a track attack. Go, Thomas!
Whoa. All right.
Let's see if he can put it to the pool.
All right, here we go. Can Tomas help the other Tomas? They're both floating. Look at that. That's so cool.
They're all friends.
They're both swimming.
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool. Both Thomases are both swimming and they're both floating. That's so cool. Who's next?
Bruno.
Bruno.
Detective Bruno, will you help me find out what made Connor leave?
Oh yes, of course, Inspector Diesel. Detective Bruno at your service. I can help you figure it out.
Wow. Cool. Here goes Bruno. And splash. Into the water. Cool. All right, who's next?
Kana.
Kana. Kana.
When I say go, you said go! I let him make the rules. Otherwise, there's no challenge. See ya! Woo! See you at the finish line.
Let's see if Kana can hit the pool and keep going. Here she goes. Here she goes. Splash. Let's see if she hits the pool and she's going. She's going. She's still going. Look at that. Whoa.
That's what I'm talking about.
That is cool. Look at Kana. She's helping Tomas. Whoa. She's still going. Look at her go. Look at her go. Whoa, with the bubbles. That's so cool. All right. Who's next?
Rainbow Thomas.
Rainbow Thomas. Let's check out Rainbow Thomas.
It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be? The end of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
Whoa, yeah, check out the rainbow. So cool. All right, here he goes. And boom, right into the water. Well, all the cool bubbles. All the bubbles. Who's next?
The hero.
Hero.
Whoa! Easy, Speedy. Careful on the turns.
Huh? Wow! Phew.
Heroes?
Whoa. Let's check out Hero's aim. Let's see if Hero is going to hit the water and keep going. Here he goes. Here he goes. Splash. He's going down. Is he going to hit the pool and keep going? He is stuck. All right. Who's next?
James.
James.
Must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon.
A dragon?
Run away! Ah!
Whoa, check out James. All right, let's see how James is going to do. Is he going to hit the pool and keep going? Or is he just going to get stuck? Let's see. Splash. Whoa, look at the bubbles. Choo-choo. Whoa, he's turning around. He is trying to go on his side and he's stuck. All right, who's next?
It's Diesel.
Diesel.
Woohoo!
to brake? Nice try, Thomas. You're just trying to trick me so you can win the race.
I don't need tricks to win against you.
Hey, no fair.
Alright, let's see how Diesel does. Hi guys, if you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Thomas and friend videos. Here we go. Let's see if Diesel can hit the water and keep going. Let's see it. Let's see it. Splash! He's floating. Diesel's going now. Oh no, he's going now slowly. He's sinking. Let's see if he hits the pool and keeps going. It's gonna be cool. Let's see. He hit the pool. He's actually moving a little bit. He's churning. He's going. He's going. Oh, Diesel's going. Look at that. Look at Diesel. Wow. Diesel's still going. Diesel's still going. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. Who's next?
Muddy Percy.
Muddy Percy.
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Yeah, look at her. She's all muddy. All right, she definitely needs the pool. Here she goes. Splash. Right into the pool. Who's next?
It's Thomas.
Thomas. See? All right, Thomas.
Whoa! There's the platform. I made it. Thomas!
Let's see how you do. Let's see if Thomas hits the pool and keeps going or not. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Splash! He is floating. That's so cool. All the Thomases are floating. Who's next?
It's Young Bao.
Young Bao. Check out Young Bao.
Gordon! Gordon!
Huh? Great gears.
Young Bao.
So cool. All right, let's see Young Bao hit the water and splash right into the pool. All the bubbles. Who's next?
It's Carly.
It's Carly.
Have no fear, Sandy and Carly are here. Electric. Oh, it takes the fastest hook and soda to slow down the fastest engine. Thanks, Carly.
Carly the crane. Let's see if Carly's gonna hit the water and keep going. Let's see it. Here she goes. Here she comes. Boom, splash. She's going in with the bubbles and she hit and she almost, oh, she fell on her side. Who's next?
Muddy Thomas.
Muddy Thomas. Check him out. He's all muddy.
Bye, Thomas. Sorry. Wait. Woohoo! Told you mud was awesome. It does feel kind of good on my gears. Oh, that's why he kept jumping in the...
All right, Thomas, you need the pool. Here he goes. Here he goes. Splash. Whoa. Boink. All right. And who's that?
It's Emily.
Emily.
It's a sheep stampede. Gather round, all ye engines great and small.
All right, let's see how Emily does. Start her back here. Because Emily keep going. She hit the water. Splash. Let's see if she's still gonna go. There she goes. She's going. She's going. She's moving. She's still going. Look how fast she's going. She's going fast. Look at her. Whoa, Emily's going. Whoa. She's still going. Look at Emily go. And look at this, guys. Check this out. Look who made it all the way to the end. Diesel and Kana. So cool. And look at Emily. She's coming. Emily's coming. She's coming. So cool. Hi guys, if you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Thomas and Friend videos.